My video here on YouTube, and if you are catching it on my website. Today I'm bringing you another Craftmas video. I apologize, I missed Saturday's video, and it's a busy time of the year, so I already missed a Craftmas day, but we'll get back on track here today. I wanted to share with you my December daily album, what I'm doing this year. I have a 6x8 album. I've put paper on the front, and then my membership gals have been seeing me add red glitter to this. I'm using some glitter paste. I think this is pretty good. I don't think I'll add any more to this. That's why I went ahead and covered it. But I do need to add more to this, and then probably one more layer in the back here. And you just have to let it dry for like 24 hours in between. So I'm gonna do some more of the spine when I get done with the video here, and then let it dry before I work on my next pages. I normally do December daily pretty much the same every year. I don't mind my project being the same each year. But this year I'm doing something a little bit different. Instead of really documenting the 24, 25 stories or doing a story a day, I'm just documenting some things that happen in December. So I'm not necessarily putting story one or day one like I have in the past. I'm just going to document what I can document, whatever pops up, and that's what I'll do. I'm using some paper from Stampin' Up! That has unfortunately already sold out. It was on the online exclusive section of the website, and I'm pretty sure it is already gone, which is making me a little nervous because I think that I probably could have used another pack of it. I covered the front and added some ribbon. I may still add something to the front, but I might not. It just might be the paper. And then I added this 3x4 Project Life card in the front of it. Now then on this side of it, there's a couple pieces just stuck in here because I still need to do some stamping, and I need to put the date on there. And then I'm gonna do some journaling. This is gonna be a special page that my membership people will probably see, because it's going to have some journaling, and I just have a specific idea instead of doing a reason why. I never really like to do a reason why, because the reason I scrapbook is to scrapbook. Like, I don't really have a very deep, thoughtful reason as to why I put together these projects. But I do have an idea for the starting of this page that I'm going to do. It says day one or like story one, because that's how I originally was approaching this. I've since changed my mind. This is going to be a 6x8 photo, and I will get that printed through the Project Life app. I will do that at the end of the month, the beginning of January, and then I will just slip those photos in when I get them. So this is going to be a full page photo. And then next is our advent calendars, the kids' advent calendars, and I'm probably going to put a title here. I'm waiting for some product to get here. I have some die cuts that I'm waiting to be able to use. So I just have the advent calendars. I've not added any kind of embellishments. Really, I'm just getting like the foundation of my pages down, and then I will add journaling. I will add embellishments. I will add, you know, all of the fun stuff. I want to get the pictures and the photos in. Okay, so the next story or the next thing that I want to document for the month is getting our Christmas tree. So I have this photo here, and then I have a 3x4 photo here. I can do some journaling here or here. Probably right here is where I will do it. And then that will just be space. So I love the way that came out. Next I have, and this is coming off. This is supposed to be a sticker tab. This was from, I might need to staple. I might need to put like a staple right through there we'll see. So the next one is decorating the tree, and I really just have this fun one I did of the kids wrapped in Christmas lights. And then there's a photo of Kayla and I doing the lights. This is the first year she's helped me with the Christmas lights, and it was really fun. So that spans like this part here. And then here is going to be the lit tree, a 6x8 photo of the lit tree. So that will go right there. And I'll probably do something on here. I put this, sometimes this time of the year is just hard. And I'm going to do some journaling about that. I will probably share that with my membership people. I usually do more of my journaling or sharing more openly about what I'm journaling in my my places and my albums and my membership spot. So the next one I have, again, story 5, but really it's not, I'm not really keeping track that way anymore. And that is decorations in our house. And I printed some photos at home and just in some different sizes. And I have that in here, and that will probably be these 2 pages. Next, I want to document somehow my mom being here. I just haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to approach that. And then I have some, a story about my husband's work I want to document. And then this spread here is probably going to be about Legally Blonde, the musical. My daughter's in that. And then I also pulled these out for something that I want to probably do. These moments and memories mean so very, it says these moments and memories mean so much, so very thankful. And then I have 1, 2, 3, and I was thinking that I would do something with that. So that is as far as I've gotten sort of with my December daily. I'm doing all 6x8 pages like this that I am doing more traditional style layouts, or large 6x8 photos or 5x7 photos. The only thing I will probably add is I will probably add a couple of these size page protectors, the 3x8, in here if I need more places to journal. But really, I do want to keep it just to the 6x8 traditional style layouts like this. This year, I've never done that in a 6x8 album before, and so I thought it would be really nice to be able to do that. So that is so far the start of my December daily album. I am hoping tomorrow that I will have a haul from Stampin' Up! From the new catalog that's coming up in January. My order was supposed to be here today. It looks like it's delayed like a day or so. So I'm hoping it will be here tomorrow, and that's what you will see. I will also have information about my paper party that is coming up at the beginning of the year. I will have information for that coming up this week. So thank you guys for hanging out with me, checking out my December daily album, the start of it for 2023. I will be back tomorrow with another video for our Craftmas series this month. I hope you're having a great day, and I will chat with you tomorrow.